Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to sync Obsidian with Google Drive. If you're using Obsidian for note-taking and want to access your notes from multiple devices, syncing them with Google Drive is a great option. Obsidian stores all of your notes locally as simple markdown files, which means they can easily be synced through cloud storage services like Google Drive. I'm going to show you two different methods to sync Obsidian with Google Drive. Both methods allow your notes to stay updated across devices. The first method uses a community plugin inside Obsidian that connects your vault directly to Google Drive. First, open Obsidian on your computer. Then look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. This will open the main Settings panel where you can configure your vault and install plugins. Click Community Plugins in the sidebar. If it's not enabled yet, toggle Safe Mode off. Now click the Browse button under the Community Plugins section. In the search bar, type Google Drive Sync. When the plugin appears, click Install and then click Enable. The plugin will now be added to your Obsidian vault. Now, as you can see, you must add your refresh token to Google Drive Sync through their website. Click on Options and select Get Refresh Token. You'll be directed to a page where you can get the token by signing into your Drive account. Then insert that token on the space provided. The second method is a simple manual approach that doesn't require any plugins. First, make sure you have Google Drive for Desktop installed. This application creates a local folder on your computer that automatically syncs with your Google Drive cloud storage. Once installed, you'll see a Google Drive folder appear on your computer. Now open Obsidian. On the Start screen, click Open Folder as Vault, and navigate to the Obsidian Vault folder you created inside Google Drive. If not, you can create it inside the Obsidian Vault. Select it and click Open. Obsidian will now treat that folder as a vault. This means every note you create will be saved directly inside your Google Drive folder. The Google Drive Sync plugin offers more automation, while the Open Folder as Vault method is simpler and works without any additional plugins. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.